In this video, we are going to explore the skill forge that's available in SimLab Composer and SimLab VR Studio. The skill forge is your ultimate learning hub, designed to take you from the basics of the software to advanced techniques that will elevate your productivity. Best of all, you can track your training progress every step of the way to ensure you're mastering each new workflow. To access the skill forge, you can either click the skill forge icon from the Help tab in the Welcome dialog, or you can go to the Help menu and select Skill Forge. Once the skill forge starts, you will notice that you are automatically logged in using your SimLab account, and your learning progress will be tracked and recorded. To the left, you will find the main domains or industries. Selecting a specific item from that list will display the set of skills that it contains. Let's pick the mechanical engineering domain, for example. Automatically, the first incomplete skill will be selected. In this case, the VR design demonstration skill. Let's say you want to learn the VR mechanical assembly skill. Once you select it, all the steps necessary to learn that skill will be displayed in the list to the right, and the first incomplete step will be expanded, displaying its content. The first step in this example is the VR scene setup, and within it are two sub-steps: the VR scene setup video and VR scene setup model. Clicking on Watch Video in the first sub-step will launch a web browser that plays the video content for this step. Once you have watched the tutorial, go back to the skill forge, and from that same step click on Mark as Complete. This would add a check mark sign next to the step and will add the experience that this step grants to your total acquired experience, and the steps meter will also increase by 1. Other steps might require to import or open a file. Click on Import File in the second sub-step in the VR scene setup. As you can see, the file will automatically be downloaded and loaded into SimLab Composer, and you can apply what you learned in the video tutorial right away. In the top right corner of the skill forge, you will find the notifications and system announcements. Any new skills that are added to the dynamically updated system will show up as a notification. Clicking a skill notification will take you directly to the newly added skill. The new step that we see in this example takes us to a documentation available online, which is another type of step that you might come across in the skill forge. Clicking the bell icon would display any unchecked notifications or announcements that you have received. The skill forge is fully equipped to help you master SimLab Composer and VR Studio at your own pace. Log in, start your first session, and take control of your learning journey.